Are essential oils food safe? This is a question that many are asking, and I will be sharing several answers. I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. If you prefer healthy food alternatives and want to improve gut health naturally, then adding food-grade essential oils to your foods provides many wonderful health benefits, plus creates a tasty food experience, an encompassing focus of mine for the last 4 decades. Stick around to the end and make sure to download my free food-grade essential oils guide. What are true essential oils? Essential oils are precious aromatic compounds that come from plants, the immune defense of the plants themselves, and they provide many wonderful benefits to the human body. So a really important question to ask yourself is, are the source of my essential oils food safe? Food safe or food grade requires chemical-free growing practices, specific distillation processes, and high-quality testing to ensure that they are food-grade essential oils. So if a bottle of black pepper, lemon, or peppermint essential oil says not for internal consumption, which are clearly edible foods, then you know that these oils have been adulterated or have not been tested for contaminants. How do you know what essential oils you can add to your food? First, make sure you're using quality food-grade essential oils. And if you are not sure, one clue is to look at the bottle labeling. If you have a supplement fact label on the bottle, that means it can be taken internally as a supplement. This is a first important clue. This is the only brand of essential oils I will ever use because their quest is to produce essential oils with top purity and potency, whereas most of the brands are producing essential oils that will sell. Purity and potency is what you want when it comes to applications aromatically, topically, and internally. What are some of the amazing benefits of adding essential oils to your foods and drinks? First, there are several internal benefits like raising your metabolism, detox, alkalizing, taming digestion, increasing energy, dropping those unwanted pounds, immune boosting, and so much more. Plus, I love the robust flavors. Essential oils often give people a wow or yum experience because essential oils make them taste so yummy. Essential oils are incredibly convenient. I don't always have a fresh lemon, lime, or herb on hand that I may need, but I always do have lemon, lime, and herb essential oils. So they're at my fingertips 24/7 for foods or any other need. Lastly, adding essential oils to my foods and drinks is a proactive choice that I can make every day for healthy internal organ functions. And it's simple. Grab my free food-grade essential oils guide in the comments below so that you can make a better educated decision on the safety of essential oils.